Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Autocad for civil engineering. Begin by mastering the core drafting tools like lines, arcs, and circles. Then, delve into civil-specific commands such as those for alignments and profiles. Practice regularly by recreating simple site plans and layouts to solidify your understanding. This foundational knowledge is crucial for all subsequent learning. Next, focus on the essential civil engineering tools within Autocad. Learn to create and edit alignments and profiles, which are fundamental for road design. Understand how to perform grading and calculate earthwork volumes accurately. Additionally, practice designing parcel layouts and pipe networks, as these are common tasks in civil projects. These skills are vital for practical application. To enhance your efficiency, explore advanced Autocad techniques. Utilize data shortcuts and external references to manage large, complex projects effectively. Learn to create and use dynamic blocks, which can significantly speed up your drawing process. Furthermore, understand collaboration workflows and version control to work seamlessly within a team. These methods will boost your productivity. Finally, apply your knowledge through practical application. Work on real-world civil engineering project examples to build a strong portfolio. Seek internships or entry-level positions to gain invaluable professional experience. Remember to continuously update your skills as new software versions and industry standards emerge. This ongoing learning ensures long-term career growth and expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.